Hey everybody, Kai here. Gonna do a quick unboxing of these guys so that we can get them back in cold storage. So, this is a box from Wyoming, 40-pound box from Wyoming. And I'd say it got here a day early, but it was almost late. We had a fun morning with this box because despite the address being correct, it did not show up where it was supposed to. We don't know if a neighbor being kind brought it by, or if a post that we put out on Facebook for help finding it was the reason we got it back. But you know, thanks for local folks, because UPS was not of much help. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get these guys unboxed and see how they look. We like doing these unboxings so that when you guys ship things, you can see how it arrives and what it looks like on our end. I could not have picked a duller knife for this. It's always the way. Alright. I don't know if you wondered, these are still frozen. Bottles look like they're still frozen anyway. I'd about venture to guess they'd probably still be frozen tomorrow if it arrived in 3 days instead of 2. If we can get as much of this insulation to stay in the box as possible. So there's one. Two. And 3. We will end up reusing some of this, especially contractors' bag, but we won't shake that out until we take it outside, because this insulation, while it works great, tends to make everybody itch if it gets anywhere. Everybody in this house anyway. I know some of y'all can just roll in it, but that's not us, fam. Alright, so I don't know if you can hear that, but still frozen. Toes are thawed out, ears are thawed out, which is good. Oh look, he's got a little split. That's fun. Oh, that'll be neat. Kind of glad the ears are thawed out. We've had some where the ears snap on hairs. Now his ears, feet thawed out, and tail. Everything else still frozen. And back feet on this one are still froze. That one still froze. Nose, foot, ears, eyes thawed out, tail thawed out. Actually, no. Tail on this one still froze. So that's how they look on this end. These are so pretty. Anybody watching not familiar, these are actually jackrabbits, which are not a rabbit at all. They're a hare. And these are the same kind of hare, but one is brown in the summer and white in the winter. They change coats, which is a lot of fun. But, so yeah, biggest difference other than size, these guys are huge, is hares are born with their eyes open, ready to go. Rabbits are born their eyes sealed and naked. They have to grow their fur in. These guys are born with fur. So, but there they are. Thanks for joining us. See y'all next time.